If you're planning on staying in the Waikiki area while visiting Honolulu and you're looking at places to stay, or you're coming to the Holiday Inn Express Waikiki and want to learn more, you're on the right video. I'll show you here on Travel Tricks. Before I get started, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Holiday Inn Express Waikiki is located right in the heart of Waikiki. It's walking distance to a number of places to visit. If you want to go to the beach, such as Waikiki Beach, it's only a 14-minute walk away. Or just a 50-minute walk away, come check out Kahanamoku Beach. Waikiki area is beautiful, and it's a place you can take a stroll at during the day or night. So it's always good to find the right place for your stay. And if you're planning on bringing a car, I'll show you what to do. If you're coming down Kohio Avenue, on the right side will be the Holiday Inn. At the intersection, the crossroad is called Namahena. From here you turn to the right, and you'll come across a parkade entrance. On the right side, you drive up, and you get a ticket from the machine. There are a number of levels to park here. If I can offer you a trick to save yourself while you're trying to find a stall, when I was here, there was always some stalls open, but the bigger your car rental, the harder it will be for you to find parking. Just letting you know. And parking is charged per day, so when you use it, it isn't free. Let's check out the rooms. In my stay, I chose the standard king size. The bed was very comfortable. I love the pillows. The room came with a small table, chair, and a decent sized TV. There's also a mini fridge, a coffee maker, and a microwave oven. The bathrooms come with a toilet, sink, and a nicely sized mirror, and a stand-up shower. The soap in all Holiday Inn locations use Dove for shampoo, conditioner, and soap. And I do use it when I'm here. It's nice because it's one less thing I have to pack. And most important of all is your air conditioner. And I'd say my experience was a 10 out of 10 because when I was here, it was hot. And the AC helped me have a comfortable and restful sleep. There are two sides of the hotel and they have elevators. To make sure you understand, each side will take you to a different side of the building. The two elevators to the left go from the lobby to the 24th floor. The three elevators to the right stop at the lobby, second and third floor, and then from the 26th floor to the 44th. I've never been to a Holiday Inn this big before. And there are things you can do here. Open from 8 a.m. till 10 p.m. On the 5th floor is a pool, a jet spa. There's also a mini golf course, chessboard, shuffleboard, ping pong, and poolside cabanas to use. On the same floor, there's also a kids game and movie room, and that's open from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. And also located on the 5th floor is a 24-hour fitness center. There's a lobby market store featuring local products to purchase, a business center if you need to use a computer, and if you do want to go on a tour or activity or just get some information or maps, they do have it covered here. There's also an ATM if you do need quick cash. On the 3rd floor is a laundry room. If you do need to clean your clothes during your stay, they have it right here. So there is a lot to do here, but I think the real perk is the free breakfast. When you check in for your stay, everyone in your party will receive a card for each day they're here. This card gets you into the free breakfast. When you come, you hand it to the person at the desk, and you'll have so many choices to choose from. May it be sausages, bacon, omelets, pan potatoes, cereal, juices, milk, and pancakes. There's a lot to choose from. When you have your meal complete, just find a seat and enjoy your meal. To use the elevators, you will need to scan your room key when you go up. The only downer is how many floors you have to pass, especially if you're almost at the top like I was. I like the hotel. It pretty much takes care of your needs. The breakfast can save you a lot of money and it tastes good. This is the biggest Holiday Inn I've ever been to, and my stay was fun. I'd come back. I didn't like the amount of floors you have to go up on an elevator because you end up stopping a lot, especially when you're coming down. But it didn't ruin my stay, so I give my experience a 5 out of 5. There is no shuttle service to the airport from this Holiday Inn, so make sure you bring a car or make other arrangements to get here. Thank you for watching this video. If you're looking to rent a car, I have a video on how to find your rental when you land at the Honolulu airport. And check out all my videos. And please, subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Thank you.